Hello guys, this is Vishakha. Welcome to Vishakha Fitness Studio. Today we're gonna show you full body workout that helps us to make a healthy life. So before doing the workout, warm up is very necessary of our body. So you can check my previous link, that is I have given you into the description box. That warm up will be help you to make a body warm.
Full body workout. First we will start with push-ups. Okay. If you can't do, go with your knees. Okay, I will show you once, you check how I am doing, then you do. Okay, totally chest down in front of your middle hands. Yeah, not to touch the body to the floor. Okay, put it like this. Go down totally. Touch it. Yes. Okay. If you can do 10 or else 15. Okay, go down all the way up. Hold for 1 second. And then go down, hold it there also 1 second and come up. Okay, again go down, hold it for 1 second, again come up. Okay, again go down. Don't do mistakes, do it very slowly as much as possible. Breathe out when you come up. Okay, breathe up when you come up. Don't take any risk. Okay, go down, come up, again go down, hold it, slowly up, come up. Okay, relax. Next exercise we will do squats. Okay, you will put on your head or you can put it like this for balance. Okay, go down as much as possible, come up, breathe out, breathe in, again go down, breathe out. Okay, again go down, again come up. Okay, go down, come up, again go down, again come up, again go down, again come up. Back should be arched, not bending forward. Okay, like this, everyone do like this, don't do like that. Okay, this is a perfect. As much as possible, push your hips down, come up. Okay, you can do 15 or 10 according to your intensity, capacity. Okay, start with 10 reps every day. Slowly you can increase to 15, 20, 25. Okay, relax. Next is overhead dumbbell press. Okay, take the weight. We can take 1 kg or we can hold 2 water bottles also in hands and lift it up to your shoulder part. Okay, all the way up, touch the dumbbell, again come it down, again push it upwards. Okay, 15 reps. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Relax. Keep it down.
So what is the benefit of this?
For shoulders, you can improve build shoulder. You can't go round up shoulder every day. You are doing computer, laptop every day. Your shoulder will be round up. If you do overhead press, it will be stretched like this. You get strengthening in your shoulder. Your back will be straight. You won't get any pain in your shoulder or neck. Yeah. Next exercise is lunges for lower body. Okay. Put the leg forward, left leg. Make your body straight. Okay. Bend your back, right leg downwards. Go down and come up. If you want to take support, you can take support, or else you can hold it. Yeah, you can hold like this or like this. Do same 10 counts on left leg, 10 counts on right leg. We did 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yeah, 10. Yes, relax, change your leg backwards, right leg. Okay.
Back leg should be
Bendwards, yeah, bend it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Don't put it like
Yeah, you should not put like straight like this.
okay.
Okay, you should not go like this also.
The whole pressure is coming on our right thumb.
Yes,
Okay.
on quarter sit. Okay, When you are going down, your glute muscle and hamstring will work. When you come up, your quadriceps will work. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, relax. Next will be dumbbell rowing for your back. Okay, take the dumbbell. Okay. Yes, I am taking 5 kg. You can bend your slightly bend your knees. Okay, chest up. Little bit of diagonal dumbbells. Okay, pull it to your chest downwards. Face should be down only, not upwards. Okay, okay, pull it as much as possible. Release it. Do it very slowly. Okay, very slowly. Very slowly. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, elbows close, 14, relax, keep it downward. Whenever we do bending exercise or dumbbell rowing or pulling, deadlifts or whatever it may be, your back should be like this. Okay, arch, always arch. Whenever you do arch, rowings also, whatever it may be bending exercise, it should be arch like this. Some clients will do like this. This is absolutely wrong. L4, L5 will be damaged. You will get compression or break, anything happen. So please practice like this. If you can't do, decrease the bending level, hold like this and practice like this, and then go downwards. Okay, always back should be like this. Any rowings or so that your back will be perfectly alright and you won't get any damage in your back. Next is wide squats for your legs. Okay, this will call sumo squats also. Little bit open your toe. Yes, go downwards, open your legs. Okay, as much as possible you can hold like this. Okay, again come up. Okay. Yes, for inner thigh, outer thigh and your glute muscle will tone up and burn more calories in this also. Okay, do 15 or 10, whatever it may be. Gradually you increase day by day. Practice makes man perfect. Don't go in heavy reps. Last 5 reps. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more. Relax. Next is bicep curls. Okay, take the dumbbells. Put beside your legs. Okay, both at a time, all the way up. Hold for 1 second and down. Slowly down. Again lift it up, breathe out. Slowly down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Slowly down. Do for 15 to 20 reps. Okay, slowly. For your biceps, your hands will tone up. Contract as much as possible when you come up. Last 5 reps. Okay, 4. Breathe out, it should be upward. Yes, normal breathe out. If you can't concentrate on breath, normal breathe. Yes, done. Relax. Next exercise is calf raise. Okay, turn like this so that we can show the audience. Okay, lift your heels. Okay, all the way up, again down. Okay, again up, again down. Okay, 25 reps. 3, slowly, 4, 5, slowly, 6. If you do not have mobility, this balance will be out like this. You go like this. While practicing, it will come. Okay. So calf muscle,
Pressure on calf.
calves, yes. Very good. Come on. You can take some step also in home or in
Yeah. So you can walk.
yeah, you can stand on that and you can do more intense if you are not feeling like this. Last 10 reps.
10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, relax. Last exercise for your upper body, okay, for your triceps. We covered full body, okay, one arm extension, overhead for your triceps, okay, not to bend your, not to move your neck, just dumbbell should be go down and come up, yeah, dumbbell should be go down and all the way up, 2, 3, 4, yeah, yes, you can take it, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, change. We can use water bottles also in place of dumbbells if you won't have in home. Okay, you can hold the water bottle and do same as I am doing in every workout. Wherever I used dumbbells, you can use water bottles or anything which is in your home, which is comfortably holded, which you feel comfortable. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, no neck movement, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, relax, done. We're done with full body workout.
Friends, do this exercise regularly. You will see your changes in your body definitely. If you like this video, please like and share this video and subscribe the channel. And don't forget to click bell icon. Thank you so much.